Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazaar. And today we have to discuss on topic patterns and symmetry. Okay, and you know that what are patterns and symmetry? Some things you have learned in your last classes. And I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazaar. And today our topic is patterns and symmetry. Okay, today we have to learn about what are patterns and what are symmetry. You know that firstly we have to know that how patterns are formed. Firstly we have to know how patterns are formed. Then you know that repetition of shapes forms patterns. Okay, repetition of shapes forms patterns. You can say that changing the number of shapes form patterns. As like you can see here that there is a pattern. That is a pattern. You can see here that is a pattern. Okay, and that is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see here that changing the number of shapes form patterns. There is 1, there is 2 circles, there is 3 circles, there is 4 circles, there is 5 circles, there is 6 circles. You can say that changing the number of shapes forms patterns. Okay, and now you can also say that changing the size of a shape forms patterns. As like you can see here that you can see here that changing the size of a shape forms patterns. You can see here that changing the size of a shape form patterns. Okay, and now the next topic for patterns, that was topic for how patterns are formed. You know that changing the size of a shape form patterns. First, repetition of shapes form patterns. Second, changing the number of shapes form patterns. Third, changing the size of a shape forms pattern. And next, changing the color of a shape forms pattern. As like there are many squares of same breadth and length. There are many squares of same side. There are many shapes. Many squares in same shape, but these colors are different. That is red, green, blue, yellow. Red, green, blue, yellow. Okay, you can see here that these are colors. Okay, so changing the color of a shape forms pattern. Now changing the direction of a shape forms pattern. Changing the direction of a pattern form patterns. Okay, changing the shape, that was example of. So you can say that firstly how patterns are formed. So you know that repetition of shapes forms patterns. And second, changing the number of shapes form patterns. And third, changing the size of a shape forms pattern. And fourth, changing the color of a shape form patterns. And changing the direction of a pattern form patterns. Okay, and now numbers also form patterns. As like 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 3 5 7 9 11 13. You know that these are natural number counting numbers, and you know that these are series, or these are patterns of odd numbers. Okay, and now we have to learn how we can find. Now the next topic is Teeling. Teeling patterns. We can see Teeling patterns. How we can form Teeling patterns? Listen here. Firstly, Teeling with a square. Teeling with a square tile with a square tile. That what is tiling, not tiling, but we have to say that's pronunciation is tiling. Okay, and next is tiling with a six-sided shape. Okay, listen here. Six-sided shape tile. Listen, how we can form a square tile pattern. So firstly we have to draw one square. Once again we have to the squares beside each together, and you can see here that the squares are these are square tiling patterns. So listen here, and now we have to draw six-sided shape tile pattern. Listen, how we can draw it. You can see here that is a six-sided shape. That is dealing with six-sided shape tile. Okay, and now the next topic is symmetry. What is symmetry? Listen here. Our next topic is symmetry. Listen, what is symmetry? Symmetry. Listen carefully everyone.